everyone, and welcome to Mastering Cebuano. My name is Simon Dara, and in this episode, we'll be talking about interrogative pronouns. These are question words like who, what, where, and when. In Cebuano, these words are very specific. Some change based on whether you are talking about the past or the future, and others have short forms used in daily conversation. Let's start with what? Unsa. Unsa is the most common question word. Unsa is used for objects, ideas, or actions. Unsa kini. What is this? Unsa ang imong ngalan? What is your name? Unsa ang imong ngalan? Unsa becomes shortened, of course, in fast casual speech, and it just becomes sa. Samana. What is that? Sa short for unsa, na short for kana, that. We saw that earlier. Samana. Next we have who and whose. For who we have kinsa. We have kinsaka, who are you? Kinsaka, ka short for tika. For whose we have kang kinsa, whose. Kang kinsa ni, whose is this? Kang kinsa ni short for kini, this. Kang kinsa ni. Para kang kinsa na, who is that for? Who is that for? Para kang kinsa na. Next we have where. This is asa and diin. Cebuano distinguishes between where you are going, like future, general, and where you were in the past. So asa is used for general location or future direction. Asaka, where are you? Asaka. Asaka paingon, where are you going? Diin is used for past actions or origins. Diin ka gikan, where did you come from? It's in the past. Diin ka gikan. Or diin nimo na napalit. Where did you buy that? Right? Next we have when. That is kanusa. Kanusa. To ask about the time. Kanusa ang imong birthday. Whenever you don't know a word in Cebuano, just throw in an English word. They do it also. Kanusa ang imong birthday? When is your birthday? Kanusa ka moabot? When will you arrive? In the future. Kanusa ka moabot? Next we have how many or how much. This is Pila and Tagpila. Pila we use for how many, to ask about a quantity. Pila ka buok? How many pieces? Pila ang imong anak? How many children do you have? Anak, children. Tagpila is for how much, like for a price that you're asking. Tagpila kini? How much is this? Tagpila ang kilo? How much per kilo? Next we have how. That's Giunsa and Unsaon. Giunsa, how. In the past, how it was done. Giunsa nimo paghubat? How did you do that? Giunsa nimo paghubat? Unsaon is how, but in the future. How to do it in the future. Unsaon ni pagbasa? How do you read this? Unsaon nako pag-ato? How do I get there? I'm not there yet. I want to get there. How do I get there? Unsaon nako pak ato. And last we have why. Ngano. Ngano is straightforward and usually followed by man. Man is just a word that softens the sentence. It's not really necessary, but if you don't use it, people find it weird. Ngano man. Why? Why is that? Ngano man. Why? Ngano nibalhin ka. Why did you move? Ngano nibalhin ka. Ka, short for tika. So adding man after a question word makes you sound more like a local. It softens the question, making it sound more natural and conversational rather than like an interrogation. And that's it for today. I've prepared some tables for you to screenshot, including a vocabulary list from this lesson. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep on practicing.